Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add these Valentine Day notes on Instagram. So I will just blur out everything because well, this is like the main account. I don't know why it's not working on my second account. So you'll need to basically obviously go to your DMs where this is at. And then you're going to want to open up your notes basically on Instagram. And I will put it right now on like what you can type that will make your Instagram notes this pink Valentine's Day theme. I think you can just type in Happy Valentine's Day. Happy V Day is something you can type. ILY, I love you. These heart emojis, like you can just even type just the like emojis. You can like even type just emojis. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I think like Pookie you can also type, which cringe a little bit for me to say, but those are the words that you can type or the emojis you can type for this Valentine's Day pink-esque note on Instagram. This is what it will look like once you're done. Super cute. Sorry about the blur, but that's just the way it is. And for the next one, this is for the single people like me. You can also type, I think, the broken heart, the wilted rose emoji, as well as the like realistic heart emoji, and you will get the note that looks like this. It's like a purple color for the like broken hearted people, and they will like show the broken hearted emoji for it, like as you can see right here. But that is it. Unfortunately, it's not available for every country, but I'm sure most of you will have it, or else, or sorry, or not. Maybe like you'll have it tomorrow. I'm not quite sure on whether or not every country will have this, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can basically create this Instagram note. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Also, before I stop this video, hope you guys had or have had a good Valentine's Day today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. That was the ending.